I came out this morning, it was -17, and I realised I've got a problem with my knob. Like, it's only a small knob, but I was pushing it and it got stuck. Now I know it's a terrible thing to happen, but I'm going to show you how to not get a stuck knob. I know it's a button, but it sounds good, doesn't it? The door buttons on Defenders are notoriously bad for sticking in winter. They're horrible things because the snow and ice sits on the button. You push it in, the button sticks, and then it won't shut, so you're forever going like this. You can't get the bloody door shut. I can on this one, but I want to show you how you prevent that, because I treated these doorknobs, well, buttons, a couple of years ago, but of course with pushing it and you've got gloves and fingers and stuff like that, the product I use wears off. So what we're first going to do, if you've got a stuck knob, get your hot air gun out and melt it. Now you can see before I'd been using out here a propane. Don't use propane, melts the bloody plastic and takes your paint off. I don't really care. So first of all, we're going to get rid of the ice. It's warmed up to -2 now, so it isn't too bad. So when we got back to water, our old friend the paper towel, you might have seen me use this before, I don't know. We're going to get as much water off that as we can. So we've got the thick part of the water off. Now we're going to get a bit more artillery in. The hot paint coming off, look. Rubbish, isn't it? Right, so I'm happy with that. The product we're going to use is fluid film. This time we're going to use this. And the reason why we're using this is it's lanolin based. It's made from sheep, squeezed up sheep I believe, which is always a good thing when sheep are involved. They don't get problems with their knobs. Now this time we're going to put our little hose on and we're going to squirt inside the knob cavity. Now it will be messy for a few days until it gets run in properly. You know what I mean? You can see how cold it is because it's all congealing. I'll tell you something, squeeze it in with your fingers. You guys in Australia will love this because it's made from sheep. You might get problems in Australia too, might get a snowy day, you never know. But same works for the lock. Just give it a little whizzette and put some lanolin over the entrance of where your key goes in, and then if water can't get in, then it won't freeze. It's good. So that's the way to do it, as Mark Knopfler said. Money for nothing, and it's cheap. You know, that's why I'll put this camera up a bit higher. It's getting a bit cold now. But do that. Also, locks, catches, hinges. Perfect. Close is lovely. Just use this. Honestly, I never get promotion for anything. Nobody gives me anything. But this is really good, and it's handy to carry in your car as well. Maybe carry it in your house, because sometimes products like this, if it's very, very cold, freeze up, and the gas can't push the product through the nozzle. But there you go. So I'm going to treat the rest of my knobs and hinges and things like that, you know. Make sure everything's going to work in winter. Yes, it's messy, but I'd rather have a bit of mess on my fingers than not being able to open the door. Because if the button sticks in, you've got to get some warmth in it, but don't use flame. Alright, so I hope you like that tip. It's a winter tip. We'll catch you in the next video. Ta-ra, keep warm.